Tired of store-bought snacks loaded with preservatives? Meet the COSORI Food Dehydrator, your new kitchen game changer. Reason 1. Massive 6.5-inch trays for big batch drying. Prep enough jerky, fruit, or dog treats for the whole week. No more tiny batches or waiting for hours to finish. Reason 2. Powerful 600 ball motor dries food super fast. Save time compared to those slow 480 baller dehydrators. Get crispy, delicious snacks in less time. No more waiting. Reason 3. Versatile for jerky, fruit, herbs, and even yogurt. Make healthy snacks, pet treats, or dry herbs for cooking. Perfect for home cooks, pet owners, and snack lovers. No plastic touches your food, just safe, food-grade stainless steel. Even heat distribution means every tray gets perfectly dried. No need to rotate trays or babysit the process. Digital controls make setting time and temperature a breeze. Set it, forget it, and come back to perfectly dried snacks. Easy to clean, trays are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Sleek, modern design looks great on any kitchen counter. Great for families, meal preppers, and small food businesses. Preserve seasonal fruits and veggies with zero hassle. Make your own beef jerky with the 165-degree F setting. Save money by making snacks at home instead of buying. Control every ingredient. No hidden sugars or additives. Perfect for gluten-free, paleo, or keto snackers. Pet owners, make healthy, preservative-free treats for your dogs. Kids will love homemade fruit roll-ups and veggie chips. Impress friends with gourmet dried snacks at your next party. Quiet operation. Run it overnight without disturbing your sleep. Large capacity means fewer batches, more time saved. Trusted by millions, COSORI is a top kitchen appliance brand. Join the healthy snack revolution with this versatile dehydrator. Don't let fresh produce go to waste. Dry and store it easily. Perfect for hikers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Make lightweight, nutritious snacks for your next adventure. Great for prepping emergency food supplies at home. Simple, intuitive controls. Anyone can use it with confidence. Stainless steel construction means durability and long-lasting performance. No more guessing. Digital display keeps you in control. Save kitchen space with its compact, stackable tray design. Easily monitor progress through the transparent door. Make yogurt, dried herbs, and even flower petals for crafts. Unleash your creativity with endless snack possibilities. Perfect for gifting to health-conscious friends and family. Upgrade your kitchen with a professional-grade dehydrator. Ready to take your snacking to the next level? Click the link and check out the COSORI Food Dehydrator now. See why home cooks and pros love this powerful machine. Don't miss out. Healthy, homemade snacks are just a click away. Order today and start dehydrating your favorite foods tomorrow. Transform your kitchen and snack smarter with COSORI. Say goodbye to store-bought snacks. Hello, homemade goodness. Join the community of healthy snack enthusiasts today. Your pets, kids, and taste buds will thank you. Ready for a healthier, tastier lifestyle? Tap now to get your COSORI Food Dehydrator delivered fast. Don't wait. Your next favorite snack is just a tray away. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.